Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Today, we're going to draw a magical unicorn, step by step. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. First, let's draw the unicorn's head. Start by drawing a small oval shape. Now extend it slightly to form the nose. Let's draw the unicorn's colorful mane. Start from the head and draw a big curved shape going back. Connect it smoothly. Looking great! Add one ear on top, shaped like a leaf. Now, draw a big circle for the eye. Add a tiny dot inside for the pupil. Now, let's add the magical horn. Draw a long triangle shape on top of the head. Add small curved lines across it to show the spiral. Beautiful! Now draw a curved line for a smile. Use wavy, flowing lines coming down from the head. Make it look soft and magical. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Connect it smoothly. Great job! Draw a long, wavy tail at the back. Make it nice and round. Your unicorn is looking magical. Draw 4 legs under the body. Add small hooves at the bottom. Make them slightly rounded and cute. Perfect! Use wavy, flowing lines coming down from the head. Make it look soft and magical. Add any background you like. Awesome! Add a small heart or cute shape on the body if you like. Now draw highlights. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now it's time to color. Make it bright and magical. Use light colors for the body like cream or white. Color the horn golden or yellow. Make the mane and tail rainbow colors. Your unicorn looks amazing! Awesome job, everyone! Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, what should I draw next? Your ideas might be featured in my next video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us.